Welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, we're diving into a truly remarkable beverage that packs a powerful punch of health benefits, Clove tea. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and wellness, you're in the right place. Clove tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a treasure trove of benefits for your mind and body. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's explore why adding clove tea to your daily routine could be one of the best decisions you make. First, reduces mucus and phlegm. Clove tea can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with respiratory conditions such as bronchitis or asthma. The compounds in clove tea help to loosen and break down mucus and phlegm in the respiratory tract. This process can make it easier to expel these substances from the body, which in turn can ease breathing difficulties and reduce respiratory congestion. By clearing out mucus and phlegm, clove tea helps alleviate symptoms associated with bronchitis and asthma, providing relief from coughs and other respiratory discomforts. Boosts mental function. Clove tea contains antioxidants, which are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, particularly in the brain, leading to cognitive decline over time. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in clove tea may help enhance mental functions such as memory and concentration. Regular consumption of clove tea could potentially lead to improved cognitive performance and overall brain health. Reduces fever. Cloves possess antipyretic properties, which means they can help lower body temperature in cases of fever. This effect makes clove tea a useful home remedy for managing mild fevers. The natural compounds in cloves work to regulate the body's temperature by influencing the body's heat production and loss, thereby helping to reduce fever without the need for synthetic medications. Supports heart health. The antioxidants found in clove tea are beneficial for heart health. They help combat oxidative damage, which can contribute to cardiovascular diseases. By reducing oxidative stress and damage to heart tissues, clove tea may support heart health in several ways. Additionally, clove tea may help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, both of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove tea has natural anti-inflammatory effects due to its rich content of eugenol and other compounds. These anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis. By lowering inflammation, clove tea can also help alleviate pain associated with these inflammatory conditions, providing relief from discomfort and swelling. Improves digestion. Clove tea can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which helps to break down food more effectively. This stimulation can reduce common digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, clove tea can help alleviate nausea, making it a useful option for those experiencing digestive discomfort. Balances hormones. Clove tea may help regulate hormonal imbalances, particularly in women. Hormonal fluctuations can affect various aspects of reproductive health, including menstrual cycles and overall reproductive function. By supporting hormonal balance, clove tea can contribute to better reproductive health and help manage symptoms related to hormonal imbalances. And there you have it, clove tea's incredible benefits for your overall health. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness content. Drop a comment below and let us know if you've tried clove tea or if you have any other health topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.